Welcome to this exclusive preview of our Power BI Beginner Series. What you're about to see is Module 1 from our comprehensive 7-module training program. And here's the exciting part. When you purchase TMVGate, our powerful tool that seamlessly connects TM1 to Power BI, Tableau, and other visualization platforms, you'll receive this entire Power BI training series absolutely free. Master the tools, master the connection. Want to learn more about TMVGate and claim your complimentary training? Contact us at info@itlink.com.sg. Now, let's dive into what's possible when you master Power BI. Are you ready to unlock the power of data visualization and transform raw numbers into stunning, actionable insights? In this comprehensive Power BI Beginner Series, we're taking you on an exciting journey from absolute beginner to confident Power BI user. Together, we'll build a complete professional dashboard from scratch, no prior experience needed. Here's what you'll master across our 7 modules. 1. Power BI Setup. 2. Data Import. 3. Data Modeling. 4. DAX Measures. 5. Dashboard Development. 6. Advanced Features. 7. Security Implementation. By the end of this series, you'll have the skills to create dynamic reports that not only impress your colleagues, but drive smarter business decisions. Today, we're diving into Module 1, Power BI Setup. I'll guide you step by step through creating your very first Power BI file, the foundation of your data visualization journey. Ready? Let's begin. First, let's launch Power BI Desktop from our desktop. You can see the application is starting up with the familiar Power BI logo. The application is loading. Just give it a moment to fully initialize. You'll see this loading screen briefly each time you start Power BI Desktop. Now we're presented with the Power BI Start screen. Here you can see several options. We can select a data source, work with recent files, or start with a blank report. For this tutorial, we'll click on Blank Report to create a completely new file. We now have a fresh, blank Power BI report canvas. Notice the message Add Data to your report in the center, along with various data import options. But before we start adding data, let's save our file with a meaningful name. I'll press Ctrl+S to save our file, or you can go to File and Save As. This opens the Save As dialog where we can choose our location and file name. I'm going to navigate to the Downloads folder for this example. In the File Name field at the bottom, I need to give this report a descriptive name. I'll name this file Income Statement Dashboard. It's always good practice to use clear, descriptive names for your Power BI files so you can easily find them later. Now I'll click Save. Great! We're back to our blank canvas, and you can see in the title bar that our file is now saved as Income Statement Dashboard. Before we wrap up, let me show you one more useful feature. Let's open the Format panel on the right side by clicking on the Format icon. This is where you can customize the appearance of your report. In the Format pane, you'll find various configuration options, including canvas settings. Set the canvas type to Custom to unlock flexible control over your report dimensions. Once selected, you can define the width and height of the canvas to match specific display or printing requirements. This level of customization is particularly valuable when designing reports for fixed screen sizes or standardized print formats. Thank you for following along. In the next video, we'll further enhance your Power BI skills by demonstrating how to import a modern pastel-themed JSON file, elevating the visual design and professionalism of your reports.